Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to add an author info box in WordPress post. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, very fast let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. This is a travel vlog website which I built for this tutorial purpose, and if I click and open a post, let's check how does it look like. This is a post and just scroll down, then you can see this is the post author information. In left side this is the author placeholder image, and you can add your profile image here, then the author name and short description or bio. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to design this author box. Okay, let's check the final scenario of the author box which we are going to do in this tutorial. So navigate to the another tab, and this is the author box. You can see it's very professional and fancy. So in this tutorial we are going to add this type of author box instead of this type of simple author box. So go to the admin dashboard, and we have to install a WordPress plugin. Hover on plugins and click on add plugin. Just search here simple author box. Simple author box. This is the plugin which we are going to use in this tutorial. Just hit on install now. Activate. After activating the plugin, just go to the plugin to install plugin. Then check what is the plugin. This is the plugin simple author box which I have installed a few moments ago. Then you can see configure author box. If you click over here, then you will be redirected to the plugin settings page, and you can go to plugin settings page in another way. Just hover on appearance, then you can see this is the simple author box. If you click here, then you will be redirected to the plugin settings page. So I want to go from here, so click configure author box. Okay, this is the plugin settings page, and very fast you can see visibility. Okay, if you click here, currently the author box looks like this. Okay, this is the placeholder image and name, then the description or author bio, then the social icon. Okay, this is the default look. Now we have to change it, and we have to upload our own image, name and our content as well. Okay, so if you want to add your own image or profile image, and if you want to change the description, bio and the social icon, so just you have to go the users. This is the user, and click here all users. Okay, this is my account Mehdi. This I have logged in this website with this account. So I want to edit my profile, so click here edit profile, like here edit. Okay, just scroll down, then you can see this is the email address and biographical information. So you can change from here. This is Mehdi and I am a WordPress developer. I am expert in classified listing and WooCommerce. Okay, so just I copy and paste here to understand it. Then again scroll down. Scroll down, then you can see this is the profile image. You can change profile image from here. Already I have uploaded, so now I can remove it. Okay, then again upload here. This is the, you can see, custom user profile image, simple authorworks. Already I have installed and activated this plugin, simple authorworks, so I have to work on it. Okay, if you scroll up, then you can see. Okay, give it some time. This is the profile picture. Actually is WordPress default profile picture, and it will come from the gravatar. Okay, so I don't use it. I want to use this simple authorworks. Okay, so profile image, I can add profile image from here. So click here, upload image. Then if already you have uploaded image in media library, then you can select from here, or if you want to upload from your computer, from your device, then click upload files, then select file. Okay, I want to upload from here, and I kept an image here, like this is the author profile, this is the image. Open it, and from the right side bottom click update. You can see this is the profile image, and this is the social icon. If you want, then you can add social icon from here. Like if you want to delete, then you can delete it from here. Okay, so now I have added my biographical info and profile image and the social icon. This is the social icon. If you want to add or remove, you can do it from here. Like add new social platform, click here. Then Behance, you can select from here. Like I want to select like Stack Overflow, then give link. I give just hash link for the test purpose. Okay, so you can give your Stack Overflow link here. Then the update profile. Okay, go to the post, and it was the previous looks. Okay, so after configuring it, like I uploaded my profile image and given the biographical info and social icon. Now refresh this page. Okay, again refresh it. Maybe the profile image does not work perfectly, so again go here and update profile. Okay, refresh it. Open another post. Scroll down. Yes, you can see it works fine. This is my profile image, name and the short description or bio, then the social icon. Now I want to give background image, background color. Okay, so again go to the plugin settings. So hover on appearance and click on simple author box, or go to the plugins to install plugins. Scroll down and click here configure author box. Then the very first tab is visibility. Click here. Okay, then the elements. Okay, visibility, you can see manual insert. Actually I don't want to show it, so just deselect it. Then the elements, click here and navigate to this tab. Then you can see show author email. If you want, then you can enable from here. Actually I don't want to show my email, so I deselect it. Then the open social icon link in a new tab. Yes, I want to enable it. Then the hide the social icon on the author box. No, I don't want to hide it. That's mean I want to show it, so it will be deselect. Then save settings. Then navigate to the appearance. Then the appearance, and very first you can see top margin of author box. Actually I want to give background color, so scroll down, then you can see this is the padding and okay, actually I don't want to give padding right now. And this is the author avatar image style, square. Okay, let's check it. You can see this image showing like square. I want to change it. So click this down arrow, you can see circle, and others option is pro feature. Okay, so I want to give circle, so select it. Then rotate effect on author avatar hover. Okay, so I want to enable it. Then the show author website, no, I don't want it. And the social icon styles, you can select from here color and the symbols. I want to give it. Scroll down and save settings. Now refresh the page. Okay, you can see the image style has been changed. If you hover on it, then the image will be rotated. Yes, you can see the image rotate. So again, go to the plugin settings area, then the author box tabs. You can see actually it's all of the pro feature, so I am using the free plugin. So again, navigate to the color tab. Okay, you can see all color settings are here. Very fast. Background color of social icon bar, I want to give like black, so select black and save settings. Then refresh the page and check it. Yes, you can see the social icon background color has been changed. Then again go to the plugin settings. Okay, and the background color of social icon part and background color of author box, yes, I want to give like red. Okay, then the color of the author box paragraph, I want to give color will be white color, so all text will be white. Social icon color will be white as well. Author box border color, it's full feature, so just scroll down, and border color, yes, I want to give it white. And author name color, it will be white. Then the save settings. Again refresh the page. Yes, you can see it works fine, and I think it's much perfect. So in this way you can design the author box. So again go to the settings, actually then the typography, and you can change the font family and size from here. Okay, I hope if you check it, then you will be easily understand it. Just this is the author name font size. Okay, size of social icon, just okay, you can increase decreasing from here. Save settings and refresh it. You can see it has been changed. I think it was perfect, like 15. Yes, save settings. Again refresh this page. Okay, it's perfect. So then the guest author, actually this is the full feature. So again, so in this tutorial we have learned how to add an author info box in WordPress post and how we can design it. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you. If this video help you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and inspire me. Thanks for watching the video.